Thinking of teaming up with someone to invest in real estate? It can be a game changer or a disaster. Real estate partnerships can help you scale faster, reduce risk, and fill in gaps in money, time, or experience. But without the right structure and understanding, they can turn into expensive legal messes and broken friendships. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to real estate partnerships: what works, what to avoid, and how to protect yourself. Whether you're partnering with a friend, investor, or business pro, this is everything you need to know before signing any paperwork. Let's make sure your next deal is a win for everyone. 1. Why consider a real estate partnership? Partnerships allow you to combine resources, money, time, experience, or credit to do bigger deals. They let one partner bring capital, while the other manages renovations, tenants, or acquisitions. You can grow faster together than you ever could alone, especially in competitive markets. Partnerships also spread risk and offer emotional support during tough parts of the deal. When done right, everyone benefits from shared responsibilities and aligned goals. You can access markets, strategies, or assets that might have been out of reach solo. From flips to long-term rentals to development, partnerships unlock new investment levels. But you need more than just good intentions. You need structure, clarity, and legal protection. 2. Different types of real estate partnerships. Not all partnerships look the same. Each has different setups, roles, and legal implications. There are general partnerships, where both parties are equally liable and involved in operations. Limited partnerships allow one party to invest passively while the other manages the deal. Joint ventures are single-deal partnerships with a start and end, unlike ongoing business entities. You might partner as an LLC, a corporation, or just under a contract. Each has pros and cons. Choose your structure based on your goals, risk tolerance, and how involved each party will be. Always consult with a legal or financial advisor when forming your business entity. The type of partnership you choose defines everything that comes next, so start smart. 3. Defining roles and responsibilities. Clarity is king in partnerships. Everyone should know exactly what they're expected to do. Who handles property management? Who raises capital? Who signs for loans or tracks expenses? Even things like who answers tenant calls or hires contractors should be outlined early. Verbal agreements will break down under pressure. Get everything in writing from day one. Define roles in your operating agreement or joint venture contract to avoid confusion later. This protects both your relationship and the business itself as it scales or hits challenges. Unclear roles are one of the top reasons real estate partnerships fail or go to court. Spell it out now, so no one's surprised when it's time to do the work, or split the profits. 4. Profit splits and equity agreements. How you divide profits should reflect each partner's contribution, cash, labor, credit, or risk. Some partners bring all the money, while others do the work. This should be weighted fairly. You might use a 50-50 split, or something like 70-30ths or 60-40ths depending on the situation. Clarify whether profits include cash flow, equity appreciation, or both. Make sure you also define how losses will be handled, and who absorbs what. Set timelines for distributions. Monthly, quarterly, or when a property is sold. If you plan to refinance or exit, make sure everyone agrees on the strategy up front. Profit splits are where money meets emotion. Be transparent, fair, and legal in your setup. 5. Legal agreements. You must have. No matter how much you trust your partner, a solid legal contract is non-negotiable. You need an operating agreement for LLCs, or a joint venture agreement for one-time deals. This should spell out roles, equity, profit splits, voting rights, and dispute resolution methods. Include clauses about exit strategies, buyouts, what happens if someone dies or disappears. Have a lawyer review every document. Don't just copy something off Google. You'll also need insurance policies, a business bank account, and potentially state filings. Partnerships built on handshake deals almost always end in lawsuits or resentment. Protect your investment by treating it like a real business, because it is one. 6. Communication and transparency are everything. Strong partnerships run on trust, and trust comes from consistent, clear communication. Hold regular check-ins to review performance, expenses, challenges, and upcoming decisions. Use tools like shared Google Sheets, CRMs, or accounting platforms to keep things open. Everyone should always know where the money is and what's happening with the property. Misunderstandings grow quickly without transparency, especially during tough times. Create a communication rhythm that works: weekly Zooms, monthly reports, or daily updates. If one person ghosts or dominates decisions, the partnership will start to rot. Clear, respectful communication is the glue that holds every great real estate team together. 7. Red flags that kill real estate partnerships. Watch out for signs your partner may not be reliable or aligned with your goals. Red flags include disorganization, lack of transparency, poor credit, or emotional decision-making. If they've had past lawsuits or shady deals, that's a huge warning sign. Also beware of partners who want all the upside but bring little to the table. You need someone who matches your work ethic, integrity, and long-term mindset. Remember, a slow yes is better than a fast regret. 8. What happens when things go wrong? Even the best partnerships hit roadblocks, so plan for them before they happen. What if someone wants out? Gets divorced? Files bankruptcy? Dies unexpectedly? Your legal agreement should include what if scenarios, and clear exit strategies include dispute resolution steps, mediation, buyouts, or partner removal clauses. Having these in place doesn't mean you don't trust each other. It means your smart problems or inevitable disaster is optional. 9. Scaling a partnership over time. If your first deal works well, you'll probably want to do more together, so plan ahead. Talk early about your vision for the future. How many deals, what size, which markets? Create systems to streamline operations, bookkeeping, tenant screening, deal analysis. Decide how you'll reinvest profits, take salaries, or bring on new partners. The more you grow, the more structure you need. Don't let success create chaos. Scaling works best when each partner stays in their strength zone and avoids micromanaging. Make sure you're growing together, not drifting apart with different goals. A great partnership can become a long-term business if you treat it like one. 10. When to walk away from a partnership. Sometimes the best move is to say no to a partnership before it starts. If your gut says something's off, listen to it. Don't force a deal out of fear or pressure. If your goals, values, or ethics don't align, the money will never be enough. Walking away early is always cheaper than dissolving a messy deal later. Respect the red flags, protect your peace, and remember, not every opportunity is meant for you. The best partnerships are built on mutual respect, not desperation. Real estate partnerships can be the key to unlocking huge success, or the reason you lose everything. But now you know how to structure them, protect yourself, and work with the right people. Take your time, ask the hard questions, and never skip the paperwork. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone you're thinking of partnering with. Got questions or horror stories about partnerships? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone and would love to hear your experience. Until next time, invest smart and build strong partnerships. If you are serious about building income streams like we do in real estate, then Tube Mastery and Monetization is what we personally recommend. Link is in the description.